Well, look at you thinking.
Look at you filming. Why do I say filming? That's old-fashioned.
It is old-fashioned.
What's it called now? Videoing?
Videoing?
Doesn't have the same ring to it.
Oh, well, you call it whatever you want.
Making pictures.
Making movies of the most beautiful mom in the world.
Are you going to fly your drone around here?
Yes, when I get it. I'll tell you what, I do love to grow things, but if there's one thing I hate about gardening, it's the weeding, especially the get down on your hands and knees in the dirt, pulling up chickweed and dandelions kind of weeding. And I gotta tell you, so I mulch, and as you know, this bed here behind me, I'll just show you a good look at that for a sec. Last year, we just put this in last year. Last year, this was grass. Or, you know, a mixture of grass and weeds like the rest of our lawn is, with little flowers and clovers and all that kind of stuff all through the grass. We have all that. And now I know why people put these on a stand. I need to start bringing my stand out with me. You don't care. You don't care about that. Anyway, I do love gardening, but I hate the weeding. And so what I'm doing back here, let me just give you a quick tour of this little garden back here, and I'll show you what I've got going on today. So I have dug out most of the weeds. I've got some of these here with these little tiny purple flowers. I'm not sure what those are, but I don't mind them as a ground cover because this is going to become a permaculture garden eventually. And so it has, like I said, it was grass last year, and so we put down layers and layers of cardboard, and then we put bark mulch on top of that. And then this year I've brought in a load of compost. And then I dug out all the chickweed down on my hands and knees. And now I'm putting down another layer of cardboard and a layer of straw. So this is supposed to be seedless straw, but it isn't. But yeah, so I'm just at the process now of, I've got a couple of more boxes to lay down here, and then I'm out of cardboard again. But oh, something else I wanted to show you is my potato garden. Somebody's racing down the road down there. So this is my potato garden, and you can see the 5 that I hilled are coming up nicely. And I actually had 3 more that I pulled out of the fridge, and they've all sprouted. So all I'm doing with those is just gonna set them on top of the ground. You can see there's a 3rd way over there. I know the zoom on the GoPro is not the best, I do apologize, but someday maybe I'll get a camera with a zoom. You never know. Anyway, those are looking delightful, and now I've got my next big bale of straw, and I'm going to give my cardboard one more soaking, and then I'm going to come in and bury everything that's got cardboard on it in straw, and my potatoes. Now, I'm not putting cardboard down for my potatoes because I want them to be able to move around and grow through the straw. Oh, look at my poor lilac tree. I need to come out here and trim it as well. Yeah. It's got some sadness going on. It got some frostbite this year, I think. Or something. It got something. So, yeah, I'll take care of that too. It's the one day I'm going to have sun this week, so they say. And so I'm trying to get as much done as I can. So I better get back to it. I mentioned I don't like weeding, right? Stinks when your mulch that's supposed to be seed-free ends up not being seed-free. I find if I get them early enough, I have better luck. So, I'm gonna pluck some grass here. Able to see any of those, or if you'll even be able to see any of those. But those are baby earwigs, my nemesis. And I betcha that is what is chewing on my tomatoes. I use diatomaceous earth for the little buggers. And I just gotta find the best way to get in there. Oh my goodness, I have more onions than I know what to do with. I'm running out of space for them, and those are those soaking in water. I have too many. I do have one bed over there that I'm going to put a bunch into. And then I guess I'll just be looking for, well, I have that bed over there too. I don't know if it'll get enough sun for onions. So, I don't know about that. But I do have some peppers that didn't survive, so I might scrape off some of that mulch, some of my grass that's growing. I'm beat. So I got a lot done today though. I got some more of my herbs moved. I got my chives are in the ground now, and I've got one of my parsley plants in the ground. My other parsley plant is just about to go into flower, so I'm going to let it flower before I move it, and then I will move it. But yeah, everything is almost cleaned up and ready to go. I got one more area. It's supposed to rain again the next couple of days, so I don't know if I'll get out here again for several days. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for coming and hanging out with me in the garden today. I'll give you a better tour the next time I'm out here, because I should have everything planted by then, and we'll go from there. So I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye now.